Hi guys, welcome to Westudi channel. In this video, we are going to import our first video and audio files to our project. Then manually choose a part of the video that we need to be edited and add it to our timeline with mark-in and mark-out tool. Okay, you have two ways to import your file into the project. First way is from file menu. As you see, you can select file menu and then import and search for your files. Or you can click on import button in project window or double click here and easily import your files to the project. Okay, let me choose my files and import them into my project. As you see, I imported one picture, two audio files and one video. You can see properties of your imported files here, and also you can change the view of your files from here, or make the files view bigger or smaller. You can drag and drop your chosen video in timeline. When you double click on a video, it will open in source monitor window. Then you can decide and exactly choose any part of the video you want to be edited. To do that, you need to set a mark in and a mark out point on the video with these two buttons or keyboard shortcut keys I and O. And now you can drag only video or only audio. In the next video of Premiere Pro tutorial, we are going to learn important timeline tools and some necessary tips in timeline. You can also ask me any question about timeline tools, and please leave a like for me if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.